Okay, this is the unboxing of the EasyStore portable backup plug and play Western Digital external hard drive. So I purchased this external hard drive because my old hard drive stopped working. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive. If you saw my previous video about converting high 8 cassettes to digital, I needed a place to store all those videos, so I bought this external hard drive. Also, like I mentioned, my previous external hard drive stopped working, so I had to buy this one. The specs say that, at least for Windows, it's compatible for Windows 7, 8.1, and 10. I actually need it for Windows XP. I don't know if you can see the specs, but I actually needed to work for Windows XP. So we'll see if this external hard drive, even though Windows XP came out before Windows 7, we'll see if it works. I have an older computer that I received actually for free in 2004 or 5, and it's an XP computer. And I wanted to take, it's only 80 gig hard drive, but I wanted to take all that information off that for that PC and put onto this external hard drive. And like I said, also all those high videos that I'm going to convert to digital, I need a place to store all those videos. So I bought this 1 terabyte external hard drive. And as I mentioned, this is the unboxing, and I'll give you an update. So pictorially from the box, this is the setup, but this is a laptop setup on the box. I'll be connecting it to a PC originally to get all the data off of the PC's hard drive. I'm actually pretty excited to be opening this external hard drive because, as I mentioned, my other external hard drive stopped working, and I have this PC that I got for free when I was, in 2000, about 4 or 5. And if you can believe it or not, I have a Dell PC that I got for free in 2004 or 5, and that PC still works. So, but I wanted to get all that data on an 80 gig hard drive and put it on this external hard drive because the external hard drive that I previously had stopped working. So I'm pretty excited to be opening this or unboxing this particular external hard drive so I can get started transferring the data. So without further ado, I'll open this guy up. So, okay, looks pretty cool. It's much smaller than my other external hard drive, but my other external hard drive wasn't portable, so it was bigger, and it was only 500 megabytes. This is 1 terabyte. So, as I mentioned, this is the Western Digital EasyStore external hard drive. As you can see, you know, it actually fits in the palm of my hand. So it's very portable. I'll probably buy a case eventually to put it in, so I won't, just have it. Has these pads on the bottom so they can sit and not move and slide. That's pretty cool. And yeah, it's nice. I really like it. The form factor. It comes with a USB cable. So this USB side, I guess, will plug into my laptop or my desktop. My desktop or PC that Dell computer I was telling you about. I actually have a Macintosh also, but I have never opened it or used it. An Apple desktop, but this is for the Windows Dell desktop that I got for free in 2004 or 2005. I'm not sure what this is a USB, but it's a different kind of USB type port. And I guess it's for the inputs to the external hard drive. So it's not like a standard USB port like this side is. This side is a special, I guess, USB port or type of port specifically for this external hard drive. So pretty excited. So if well, the USB cord is pretty short, so I don't know if I can show you, me connecting it to the PC, because, it's not that long. But if I get an opportunity to, and I think it's something worth putting on video, I'll show you how I connect it to the PC, or I can show you how I eventually connect it to my my laptop. That's on my counter, so that's pretty easy to show. Hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind, and hit that like button if you don't mind. Thanks. So as I mentioned, as far as Windows, this is compatible for Windows 10, 8.1, or 7. I need it for a Windows XP PC that has a Windows XP operating system. So I'll give you an update and let you know whether it works for Windows XP. At least works for my Windows XP. So just stay tuned. I wanted to make one additional observation. My old external hard drive that wasn't portable, it actually had a power cord associated with it, but this particular portable external hard drive doesn't have a power cord associated with it. Just wanted to point that out just in case anybody had a question about that, about this external hard drive, this portable one. Okay, so plug this part in here. So it went in pretty good. This is plugged into the external hard drive.